Good Tuesday morning, and as you can see in the background, you kind of guess where I am, or you kind of know where I am. Today we're on the hunt for a hood for the Farmall M and PTO cover and the actual PTO lever. So let's look and see what we can find. Lots of stuff out here. Have to forgive the wind noise. It is really windy today. Farmall 706 diesel, big IH, probably a 1486 maybe. Looks like this is what's left of a Super C. Yep, Super C. Another IH right here, Ford right there. Let's walk around and see what else we can find. Maybe we'll get lucky. Oh, here we go. I bet you it's an H. Yep, it's an H. Somebody converted the push button to a key. That farmer had a bad day. Old Alice, International 275. Massey, International Industrials. Well, don't see anything. Well, hold on. Might get lucky. Let's see what we got back here. It looks like either a H or a M. That says Oliver. But it's a Farmall M. No hood. Not much left. That's a clamp-on hub. We don't want that one. Well, let's walk around and see what else we can find. Keep your fingers crossed. Maybe we'll find it. A couple old John Deeres. Let's walk around and look at them while we're here. Yeah, these old girls have seen better days. All right, let's keep looking. Old white IH sitting right there. Another Alice Chalmers. Like some logging equipment. Somebody got tired of discing. Thing's still in great shape. 786. Massey. Old International sitting way over there. A few green tractors. And it looks like we run into a dead end. Maybe. Massey. Got to set up for duels on the back of this one. Another one set up for duels. John Deere combine in the back. Well, we're going to get out of this one and go back and walk the other way. Well, we made it back to the shop. Unfortunately, I'm back at the shop empty-handed. We left the salvage yard. There was one M there, and well, a couple of M's there, but someone had already taken all the parts that I was looking for, which was a hood, so I don't have to do all the body work to this one. A PTO cover and the actual PTO engagement lever, all that, you know, first things to go. So, but on the way home, we stopped by Dufour Tractors in Nashville, and that was pretty nice. He's got a real nice selection of like Super A, 130, 100, you know, the cultivating tractors. I think he's got some 140 stuff as well. So if that's what you're looking for, you can give him a call and he could probably help you out. But like I said, unfortunately, I didn't get what I want. Sometimes it just goes that way. But anyway, I'd like to thank everyone for watching. Welcome to the channel if you're new, and welcome back to the continued supporters of the channel. Hopefully I can start cranking out a little bit more content. It's one of those things where, you know, you want to give good content. You just don't want to give boring content, you know, just to put out a video. So I do thank everyone for watching though. But anyway, I'm going to end it here and get stuff ready. Tomorrow's going to be a big day. I'm dropping the motor and the head and the crank and everything off the flywheel over to the machine shop tomorrow morning to get that started. So that's great. And we can get back on this M. I'm going to pull more parts out of the container today and try and get those ready tonight for painting. So once I get back from the machine shop, hopefully I can start painting. So as always, thank you very much. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great afternoon from Old Red Tractors.